Hi there, it's Carla again with a simplified version of my original mask for people with beards or people who want a longer mask. Um, Research since then has shown that a single or even double ply bandana is probably not enough protection. So I've seen people, with a mask that's just doubled over with a bandana and they're tying it behind their head, and that may not be enough. It also is a lot of fabric on your face and neck. So what I've done is you fold them over, leaving yourself a little bit of a space here. You're folding on the diamond plane. Flip it over and fold here about 3 or 4 inches. And what that does is it gives you 4 ply over your nose and mouth, which is what you want. When I first made this mask, I put rubber bands here and I folded this over and then I folded that over. That's fussy and it's just too much fabric on your face. So what I would do is just wear this by tying behind my head. Let me see if I can get my camera to behave. Behave! Behave! All right, this is close enough. I've got my hair behind me because it's hard to wear these if you've got long hair. So you just put it on and tie it. Now, something I notice for me is my nose. I have a fairly high bridge of my nose. So that's not bad. Many masks, I would need a nose wire. This one, you could get it tight enough to make it so that that's okay. I'm not fogging really badly. But one of the things I notice is if you have a pointier nose or a higher bridge to your nose, any mask where you're tying back behind your head means that you're pulling your nose in. So you're kind of squashing your nose. So it could be that people who are wearing their masks under their nose simply have a nose that's the wrong shape for their mask, okay? So if your nose is more like this, right, and you have especially a tall bridge here, you're going to want a different kind of mask than one that you're tying and pulling your nose back. If you have a nice flatter nose or a flatter bridge, I think this would be really workable for you. But for people with schnozolas like mine, you would need a mask that has more room here, which is why I like those accordion masks that look like the procedure masks that doctors wear. So just simplify this down, get it to 4. See, look, if I had a beard this long, this would work great. So I think this mask would work for you as long as you're aware that it's not a nose-friendly mask. All right, thanks so much.